Hi, I'm Paulo, and a quick update before we proceed. Intro. Hi guys, Paulo here. So this video is an update on why I haven't done videos for the past weeks and where we at when it comes to the update on Builderall. So for the past weeks, what I've been doing is I've been conducting interviews because I am hiring virtual assistants because I opened up 5 new campaigns. So I need management team for those 5 new campaigns. So again, that's what I've been doing the past weeks, hiring virtual assistants. I've been conducting interviews. I'm actually not done with it yet, so it will go on probably till the end of this month. I mean, today is the 3rd week, I believe, of June. All right, so I need to polish everything by the end of the month. Now, when it comes to Builderall, just to confirm, let me bring you to Builderall real quick. Okay. Now, for Builderall, just to confirm, the Builderall 3.0 new Builderall, or the updated version rather, will be out on July 4th. July 4th is the confirmed date for the new Builderall, or Builderall 3.0. Builderall 3.0, it's an internal term for those who are already affiliates of the platform. For the changes, now, whatever you're paying right now, if you're already signed up with the platform, whatever you're paying, that's it. It will not change. It will not increase. For the pricing, it will increase. I've discussed the pricing on the previous videos, but then again, by July 4th, I'll make a new video showing everything, all of the updated features, pricing. Now, for the pricing, that's how it works. Whatever you are paying for right now, let's say for example me, I am on the $49.90 plan, $49.90 business plan. Okay, that is what I'm paying to be able to use the full features of the platform. I will not be affected by the price increase anymore. It will, I believe, it will jump up to $79. Okay, from $49 to $79. So I will not be affected by the increase. Now, for the commission plan or the affiliate program, of course, mine will be updated to the new one, which is a way better one. Okay, I have also discussed that on my previous video, but I will make a new one also once the update, or once the system has been fully updated on July 4th. Okay, but I've also done a video on that. Please check the previous videos. I'll just put the link on at the very end of this video after the outro. Now, for your affiliate commissions, okay, if you're already signed up to the platform, whatever the commission plan that is in effect right now, and you have subscribers that are already signed up to you, okay, from those subscribers, you will be paid out the same way. Okay, so let's say, for what I'm trying to say is, on July 4th, new commission plan will be rolled out. It will be effective on the 4th of July. So if you have new subscribers, okay, or if somebody signed up with Builderall through you on July 4th onwards, okay, you will be paid on the commission plan that started on July 4th. In short, you will be paid rather through the new commission plan. But if before July 4th, okay, you have subscribers or people signed up with Builderall through you, before July 4th, they will remain on the same commission plan. Okay. So again, what I mean is, July 4th onwards, July 4th, there's a new update on Builderall, new commission plan. Somebody signs up with you on Builderall. Okay, somebody signs up with Builderall through you. July 4th onwards, you will be paid for the affiliate commission on the new commission plan that took effect July 4th onwards. But prior to July 4th, okay, whatever was the commission plan before July 4th, you have subscribers that signed up with you, with Builderall through you before July 4th, they will be on the commission plan that was in effect before July 4th. Okay? So that's how it works. Again, don't worry if you find it too complicated. I'll make another video on it. I'll make an illustration showcasing how it works or what's in effect and so. Okay? So that's about it for this video. You got any questions, again, message me on my Facebook page or just comment below. Okay? I'll see you guys on the next video. There's a lot of good stuff, new stuff, especially on the new commission plan. Builderall is just awesome. They're just giving away a lot of stuff. Okay? They just want people to live their lives to the fullest. Okay? One thing I love very much about Builderall, okay? They want to share the happiness and joy of of living life in a sense that you are able to obtain financial freedom, location freedom, and time freedom all at the same time. Okay? I love the objective of the platform's commission plan. I love the features of the platform. So on the next coming videos, I will share how you can maximize the monthly subscription you'll be paying for the platform that you'll be using. Alright? If you liked or learned anything from this video, please like and share, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe and let's grow this channel together. Don't forget to click on the bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video, and if you have any questions, just comment below or message me on my Facebook page and I'll either answer it or even make a video out of it so we can share the knowledge to everybody. Be sure to check the bonuses on the description of this video. And just like that, this video is over and I'll see you on the next one. Let's go!